Hello there. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to create your very first YouTube channel. Whether you're an aspiring vlogger, educator, or simply want to share your passion with the world, we're here to help you get started. First things first, you'll need a Google account to access all of YouTube's features. If you already have one, feel free to skip ahead. For those who don't, let's create one together. Fill out the required information, including your name, desired email address, and password. Follow the prompts to verify your account and set up your Gmail. You must enter your valid number to secure your account so that whenever somebody tries to open your account, you get the notification on your phone. Congratulations, you did it very well. Now with your Gmail account ready, let's sign into YouTube. Open your web browser and go to YouTube. Click on the Sign In button. Use your Gmail email address and password to sign in. Now, let's create your YouTube channel. First, you need to give an attractive name to your channel. To get ideas, you can check namelix.com. Enter the required information you have in your mind, like what is your channel going to be about. For example, I choose healthy life as my topic, so I will search names accordingly. So now you have got the idea. You do not have to think a lot. Your channel is now created, but it's time to personalize it. Click on Customize Channel to edit the channel art and profile picture. Upload an eye-catching channel banner and profile picture that represents your content. I am choosing this picture because garlic represents health. That's what my channel is about. For my channel art, I choose a sleeping guy picture because sleeping is important for healthy life. Video watermark means you can put your brand or channel name on the video. You can also make a logo for your channel from online free logo making websites. It's up to you. Fill in the About section with a brief description of your channel. Add links to your social media and website if you have them. Let's configure some important settings. Click the Settings gear icon on the top right. Go to Channel Settings to configure privacy and defaults. Set your country and time zone. Customize your upload defaults, video title, description, tags, etc. Configure your privacy settings, such as whether you want your channel to be public or private. Tags are really important to keep your channel in search. Put all the keywords relevant to your topic, so when someone is searching on this, he gets your video too. Go to Google, write relevant keywords on search bar, you will get to know what people are searching. Paste all those keywords in your channel settings. You can also use VidIQ or other tools like this. It's time to share your first video with the world. Click the Create button in the top right corner. Select Upload Videos. Choose the video file you want to upload. Add a title, description, tags, and thumbnail. Set privacy and publishing options. Click Publish. For your title and description, choose the keywords that people are using to search on this topic. You can Google your topic of video or simply search on YouTube search bar. Choose the keywords of the most viewed videos. That's a trick most of YouTubers hide. When you are working on YouTube, I don't recommend on guessing things. Choose the topic of the most viral videos and recreate it in your own way. Do not get away from your niche. Your thumbnail must be attractive enough to get a quick click. Use Canva for thumbnails. End screen is a preview of your other videos. Never skip this step. YouTube will check your video for copyright. Never use anyone's video more than 5 seconds. Otherwise, your hard work will be paid to that person. Always keep at least 3 videos ready in advance so that there is no gap in uploading. Keep your video public. I am keeping it private because I don't want to show it now. You've done it. You've successfully set up and tailored your YouTube channel. You're now all set to share your content with the global audience. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it valuable. Should you have any questions or require further assistance, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Thank you for tuning in, and best of luck on your YouTube journey.